Welcome back after the break. At the end of the general round, the team that leads with 25 points is Pioneer Ship Management. And there are two teams who are catching up, Drydocks and MMC Global. And then we have Noble Denton with 10 points and Ulstein with 15 points. The next round, we call it the Current Affairs round. Here, you should be regular in reading newspapers or watching television or so on. Because if you're regularly irregular, then it's going to be a tough time for you. My first question is to Team A, Pioneer Ship Management Services. Mr. Mohammad Sharaf is the CEO of which maritime organization? Mr. Mohammad Sharaf is the CEO of which maritime organization?
Sharaf Agency.
Wrong answer. Question passes on to Team B. Mr. Mohammad Sharaf is the CEO of which organization? You know the answer? You can take a guess.
Vela.
Wrong answer.
Is it the Alexandria shipyard?
Good thinking, but wrong answer. Question passes on to Team D.
DP World.
DP World? Sure?
Yep.
Got it! That's the right answer. They get 5 marks. Question goes to Team B. Members of which country's cabinet recently donned scuba gear and used hand signals recently at an underwater meeting staged to highlight the threat of global warming to the lowest lying nation on Earth? In fact, it's the lowest lying nation on Earth. Your answer is? Brilliant! 10 marks. Question goes to Team C. The design wing of which company came up with a new inverted bow design called X-Bow, designed to improve handling in rough sea and lower fuel consumption? The first vessel built with the X-Bow was Bourbon Orca. Name the company.
Ulstein.
Sure? Brilliant! They get 10 marks. Nikhil was unlucky to get this question.
Cheating.
Dr. Herman Kiel, the President, CEO of Ajax, represents which classification society? This is a question for you, Team D. The President, CEO of Ajax, he represents which classification society?
GL.
Can you expand it?
Germanische Lloyd.
Sure?
Yep.
Confident?
Yes.
10 marks! Now question goes to Team E. Dr. Peter Swift is the Managing Director of which famous tanker organization? Dr. Peter Swift is the Managing Director of which famous tanker organization?
Maersk.
Come again?
Maersk.
Clever thinking, but wrong answer. The question passes on to Team A. Come again?
TK.
Wrong answer. Like to take a guess? Would you like to pass the answer or would you like to say the answer? Wrong answer.
MSC.
The answer is wrong.
Intertanko.
Come again, sir.
Intertanko.
Dot on target, 5 marks. Fine, this is a question for you. Sheikh Abdul Kisam Butt heads which organization? This organization is infamous and has bought in the concept of a new kind of business. Can you name the organization? Sheikh Abdul Kisam Butt heads which organization? And this organization is infamous and has bought in the concept of a new kind of business.
Is it piracy?
Can I come again?
I said it's piracy.
Fine, the question passes on to the next round.
Anti-terrorist organization. Anti-piracy.
Question passed on to Team C. Sheikh Abdul Kisam Butt heads which organization? This organization is infamous and has bought in the concept of new kind of business. You have the answer? Pass. Question goes to Team B. You have an answer?
Mercenaries.
That's a wrong answer.
It's sort of is a middleman for the pirates to negotiate the price, ransom price.
Fine, then I'll have to ask the judging panel. You just near to it, but I can't give it to you. It's the Somalian Pirates Association. But I can give you 5 marks for that. So my next question goes to, yes. Here we go. What made Captain Richard Phillips of Maersk, Alabama, a newsmaker last year?
He was captured by the pirates, Somalian pirates, and the American Navy took them down.
Sometimes in life, nothing goes wrong. 10 marks. Here we go. Which company has recently taken over Great Offshore, one of India's leading offshore and oilfield service providers?
Bharti Shipyard.
Bharti Shipyard is the right answer and 10 points to Team C. Next question to Dradox World. Captain Vanderpeere, who passed away recently, was known as the father of ship management. Name the ship management company he founded in the year 1973, which he presided over till his death. Dot on target, 10 marks to Dradox World. To Pioneer Ship Management. Which Middle East shipbuilding yard has acquired Norbiskerk Shipyard from Germany and also has entered into a strategic partnership with ThyssenKrupp, Germany? Get it right, 10 marks.
Asri Bahrain.
Good thinking, but wrong answer. Question passes on to Team E.
Dubai Dry Docks or Dubai World?
Wrong answer, good guess. Question passes on to Team D. You get 5 marks if you get it right.
Dubai Shipbuilding and Engineering.
Lovely answer, but wrong. Goes to Team C.
Is it Q Ships, Qatar Shipping?
Wrong answer. Absolutely right. 5 marks to Dradox World. With this, we come to the end of round 2.